Hello everyone and welcome back to the InHub YouTube channel. With the holy month of Ramadan in full swing, Binance is spreading the spirit of giving by launching an exciting campaign. That's right, Binance is offering you the chance to share in $30,000 worth of ICP and Mantra rewards. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this amazing opportunity. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. So, what's this campaign all about? Binance has introduced Ramadan Missions, a special event where users can complete simple tasks to earn rewards in ICP, Internet Computer, and Mantra tokens. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, this is a fantastic way to get involved and earn some extra crypto during this blessed month. Here's how it works. Campaign period. The event runs from March 3rd, 2024 to March 31st, 2024. That gives you plenty of time to participate. Eligibility to join. You'll need to complete identity verification (KYC) on Binance. Missions. Binance has set up simple tasks, such as trading specific pairs or staking tokens. Complete these missions, and you'll earn points that can be converted into rewards. Rewards pool. A total of $30,000 in ICP and Mantra tokens is up for grabs, so the more missions you complete, the bigger your share. Let's take a closer look at some of the missions. For example, you might be asked to trade a minimum of $50 in ICP or Mantra pairs, or you could earn points by staking these tokens. Each mission comes with clear instructions, so it's super easy to get started. Just head over to the Binance app or website, navigate to the Ramadan Missions page, and start completing tasks. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to earn crypto rewards while celebrating Ramadan. Whether you're looking to grow your portfolio or just want to explore new tokens, this campaign has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the InHub channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, if you're planning to participate in the Ramadan missions, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading. And may this Ramadan bring you peace, prosperity, and plenty of crypto rewards. This is InHub, signing off.